In this video, I will show you how to properly set up and connect your new Hume Band 2 to begin tracking your longevity and health metrics. As we unbox the device, you will notice the retail packaging highlights its 24/7 health tracking capabilities and the impressive 14-day battery life. To start the connection process, ensure your band is charged using the included cable. Once powered on, you will need to download the Hume app on your smartphone. I have been testing this device alongside other wearables like the Whoop and Aura Ring since May, and the setup is designed to be quite seamless. Open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your band via Bluetooth. The 2 version features an upgraded Ultralux strap and improved signal processing, which helps the app quickly identify the device during the initial sync. This version also introduces blood pressure trend tracking, which you can calibrate by cross-referencing with a home cuff for better accuracy. If you are looking for a screenless experience that avoids monthly subscription fees, this setup is perfect for you. The app will guide you through entering your personal details to start calculating your biological age and activity levels. This device is particularly useful for those over 35 looking for deep health insights without the clutter of constant phone notifications on their wrist. Don't forget to check out the BodyPod integration if you want the full picture of your health data. If this walkthrough helped you get connected, please like the video and subscribe for more wearable tech reviews. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about the sync process.